Hello, grade 8 students. So, today we'll see Unit 1 The Boy Who Broke the Bank. So, it was written by Ruskin Bond. So, Ruskin Bond is one of the most famous and beloved author for children. So, he is fond of the books written by the author Charles Dickens, Charlotte Bronte, Rudyard Kipling. He also wrote his first novel, The Room of the Rolf, in 1956. He is best known for the stories of adventures. So, now let us move into the story. So, there was a boy named Nathu who is a sweeper boy and he works in Seth Govindram's bank. So, for nearly 3 months, he did not get any payment. And this story is about the rumor in a small town. It all began with Nathu, the sweeper boy, who complained of his irregularity of his salary from the local bank. The owner of the bank, Seth Govindram, was quite overdue in paying him. Soon the word spread like a forest fire in the town. So first he told to the Sitaram, who is a washerman, and he was a friend of Nathu, who again spread the news to Mrs. Prakash. So Mrs. Prakash is the customer of Sitaram, and Sitaram told Mrs. Prakash that he need a job for housekeeping for Nathu because he is not being paid by the bank. So Mrs. Prakash told, why the bank, why it is not paying? I think they don't have money. So on saying this, she went for the shopping, and there she met Mrs. Bhushan. She told Bhushan that Sethuram's bank is going to collapse. Bhushan was also surprised and she went in search of his husband Jugal Kishore. Yes, and he told Jugal Kishore that Sethuram's bank is going to collapse and it's going to be bankrupt. They don't have any money in their bank. So soon Kishore, even though he did not have any account in the bank, he was worried of his friend Faisal Hussain, who was in the barber shop, next to the barber shop. So he called his friend and told that Sethuram's bank is going to be corrupted. So soon the Faisal Hussain, he was shaving for an elderly gentleman. The elderly gentleman, he ran. So you can see this picture here. The elderly gentleman, he ran to make a call to Sethuram, and Sethuram phone was not picked up because he was holidaying in Kashmir. So he did not pick up the call. So everyone thought that the bird has flown away. That is, the Sethuram is hiding somewhere. And so finally what happened? The pan seller, the tailor, the fruit vendor, the jewellery man, beggar, for everyone the news spread like a forest fire. And so now everyone came to the customer. Every other customer started withdrawing the money from the bank. The bank manager was in a dilemma. He tried in vain to pacify the protesting mob of townsmen by declaring that the bank had plenty of money. Nobody believed him. They demanded their cash on the spot. Mischief makers who never had dealings with the bank joined the crowd. They pelted stones and hurled bricks at the bank. On the glass window broke as a result. The manager had no option but to close the door. So next the police came and it withdrew all the crowds from that place. The next day after all the chores, the sweeper boy, he came to work and he was doing the work. And Sitaram came and told, do you know the bank has been closed? Do you want to join another job? Like that he asked. And the boy, he was surprised. Wow, what happened? Who is responsible for this? Who told that the bank has been corrupted? So, children, the boy is the main reason here, but he does not know he is the reason for the bank to be corrupted. Yes, I hope you would have understood the story. Thank you.